Hey, so you want to turn your Card website into a money-making tool? Card is simple but powerful, and in this guide, I'll show you how to use it to earn online, whether through services, products, or affiliate links. Go to card.co and log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Free accounts are good to start, but Pro gives you more features like custom domains, forms, and embedded widgets that are useful for monetization. Click New Site and pick a template or a blank canvas. Templates like portfolio, service, or product pages are perfect if you plan to sell something. Add sections to showcase your services or digital products. Include descriptions, pricing, and benefits. You can sell consulting, freelance work, ebooks, or any digital product. Use Cards Pro Plan to integrate PayPal, Stripe, or Gumroad buttons. This allows visitors to pay for services, book appointments, or purchase products directly from your site. Add a contact or sign up form to collect emails. Building an email list lets you promote services or products and generate recurring income. You can also make money with affiliate marketing, add buttons or links to products you recommend, and earn a commission when visitors buy through your links. Adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and layout to make your site look professional. A clean design encourages visitors to trust you and take action, which increases sales. Preview your site on desktop and mobile. Test payment buttons, forms, and links to make sure everything works before going live. Click Publish when you're ready. Free users get a card.co subdomain, while pro users can connect a custom domain for a more professional look. Share your live website on social media, email, and your professional networks. Regularly update content and offers to maximize revenue. So yeah, that's how you can make money using Card. Showcase your services, sell products, collect leads, add payment buttons, and promote affiliate links. With a few simple steps, your Card site can become a real online income source.